Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel, and in this video today I bought something special for you. You can see here this cool amazing highlights on your Instagram, how to put cool attractive highlights on your Instagram. So in this video I will show you how to do it, and then you also can give up your link of any TikTok or Instagram or anything on this. You can see on the screen. It's very cool. So without wasting time, let's start. Before that, please hit the subscribe button, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So guys, you are on my screen, so I will show you in Instagram. You can see my highlights. It's so cool highlights. You can add anything here. So how to do this I will show you in this video. So let me see. I have YouTube, Snapchat, and Facebook. So I will show you by doing by adding TikTok highlights, and also I will show how to create these things. So create your links, how to give your links there. So now let's go to TikTok, and then after going to TikTok, what you have to do is you have to click on me option. You will find a me option here. You can see here me option, so just click on the me option. So after clicking to me option, you can let me just take one of my video, and after taking one of my video, you can take one of your video and then just save it. So let the download begins, and I will wait for it. So it's done. My download is done. So now what you have to do is you have to take the screenshot of your profile here. Let me take my screenshot, and then after taking the screenshot, let's go to Google Chrome. After going to Google Chrome or Google, you have to download TikTok. Sorry, you have to download TikTok PNG from here. So I will show you. So you can down any filter from here, any filter or any photos from here. So I have already downloaded, and then after that, let's go to Instagram now. So after going to Instagram, what you can do is I will show you in this video. Wait, my phone is taking some time. So now what you have to do is you have to go to this story option. So after going to story option, what you can do is I will show you in this video. Just take the screenshot of your TikTok, and then go back, and then now you have to click on the search option. You can see a search option, and then click on IGTV. So after clicking to IGTV, I'm teaching you how to generate your link also. So just click on the plus icon, and after clicking to plus icon, what you have to do is, let me just take my video here. So just click next, and then you have to click next again. You have to take your YouTube TikTok videos, and then just click on the next. So now here you can just add your title, and also you can just add your description in your way, and then you have to click on this pause option. You can see here, so just click on the pause option. So now it is uploading, so let's wait for it. So guys, my video has been uploaded. So now what you have to do is I will show you. Let's go to Instagram here. Let's go to Instagram. Oh sorry, let's go to this story option, and then let's select this screenshot. And then after selecting the screenshot, what you have to do is go back to TikTok, and after going to TikTok, what you have to do is I will show you. Go to me option. After going to me option, you can see three dot. Just click to three dot, and then just click on the share profile, and then you have to copy the link here. After copying the link, go to Instagram, and then you can see here a 3 dash. Here you can see a link option here, copy link option. So just click here and click on IGTV, and then you can see here this is the one. So just click on the right click, and then call to action added. So now guys, what you can do is you have to click on send option, and then click on your story and click on add to highlight. After doing this, click on new, and then just write TikTok here. So now click on add and done. And then after that, go to your listings feeds and click here, and then you can see here three days here. So just click on the three days and then edit highlight. After going to edit highlight, what you can do is here you can see edit cover. So just click on edit cover, and then you have to click on this gallery option. So just click on gallery option, and then take this logo that you have downloaded, and then click to next, and then done. Loading, and you can see here TikTok option is coming out. So guys, this is how you can do it. So thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.